Hi everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis here, and I have been working on a project this evening. Some of you may be interested and some of you may not. This is a DIY and it is for checkbook covers. So if you are interested and you still carry a checkbook cover or you know someone that does, this is super easy to put together a checkbook cover and personalize it for whoever uses one. So what you need for this is basically some clear checkbook covers, and you can buy these on eBay really inexpensively. I think you can get 50 for about 10 bucks. So depends on if you want to maybe do that. And then registers, you can get account registers really cheaply too, and I just say, you know, you could even ask your bank, but some of them don't even carry them anymore. But you can buy them online or Amazon or one of those places. All right, so this is what I've been working on for a friend. It was a request for a birthday present. So I'm going to show you what I made, and then I'm going to show you real quickly how to make it and what I used to make it with. So these right here are ones that I created on my computer, and this is my own personal photograph that I had from the Outer Banks in North Carolina, and so I made this checkbook cover with that one. Then I just put like that he will watch over, order his angels to protect you wherever you go, and I just put that on some clouds. And then this one is just some free clip art of some butterflies, and just put that on here. So I'm giving them all to my friend, and she can use them throughout the year. All right, so then I got inspired to go ahead and make some with a scrapbook paper, because I have a lot of scrapbook paper and I have some embellishments. I'm going to show you some of the embellishments that I used. I used some from Anna Griffin for Christmas. And these are Anna Griffin, and these are the decoupage die cuts for vintage fall. I had these all on hand, and then these are the vintage summer decoupage die cuts from Anna Griffin. Love Anna Griffin. Thank you, Anna. All right, so let me just show you what I made. This is a cute little, just some plaid paper, scrapbook paper, and this is just some of the die cuts from the Christmas vintage. And then this is paper from a very berry Christmas. It's a cardstock that I picked up from Tuesday morning, and it came with stickers, so I just put some stickers on the front of that one. This one is from that same card pack with a sticker, and then I took a poinsettia from the Christmas collection there and put that on. And then she asked for a red, white, and blue, so I just took some of these embellishments and die cuts from the vintage summer and put it on some paper that is from the Freedom collection. And then these are all kind of fallish. This is some pretty, this is just the scrapbook paper from another pad that I had, and I will show you that real quickly. Let's see, I believe it is from this one, the Thankful Heart, and I used several papers from that as well. So anyway, it's real pretty. This was already on the paper, and I just put happy birthday on there. And then this one is just another from the Delightful pad. Then this little bird was on there. I just put her initials. And then this is just a piece of scrapbook paper. It's just beautiful, so I put that one in there. And then this is from that same Thankful Heart paper, and I put a pumpkin, these vintage cuts from the fall collection. And then this is just some scrapbook paper from the Delightful pad too, with a Just For You. All right, so that's really quickly what I made tonight, and I'm going to show you real quick how to make one in case you're interested and you have someone that still uses checkbook covers. So let me show you. Okay, so to make a checkbook cover, again, you just need the clear checkbook covers that you can purchase online. The measurements are 6 inches wide and 6.5 inches high. And you don't have to give a transaction register, but it's nice to give that to them too. So basically, just measure your paper. You're going to need 6 inches wide. And then measure your paper 6.5 inches. Really easy. This is the size of your checkbook cover. So you take that, and this will fit right in here. When you're putting it together, remember that you're going to be folding it. So your design, really, you want it to be on this bottom half right here. All right, so I'm just going to take some of these stickers from this very berry collection. Let me show you what it looks like. It's really cute, and let me find the front. It comes with all kinds of fun papers in it, if I can find it. Let's see. Okay, it's this one, Very Merry Christmas by Jessica Sprague. Not Berry, Very Merry. All right, so I'm just going to take my checkbook cover and take some something from the stickers to decorate with. And I think I'll just do Peace on Earth. I think that'll stand out. And so I'm just going to put that, I think I'm going to put it to the side here. And then I'm going to take some of these pretty words and just put them on this side over here. And you could do it however you wanted. This is just an example. And then there's all kinds of fun things on here that you could add. I don't really need to add too much. It's got a lot of decoration on it. I could just put that there. Add a little red. All right, so now my checkbook cover is going to fold like that. So we just put it inside. Now the top is the part with the tab. So we just slide it in. And this paper is actually double-sided. So I'm just going to slide that in. Okay, so after you've slid it in both sides, then you put your register in there and you're ready to go. Really quick, easy gift for those of us that still use a transaction register to keep up with our checking account. So if you enjoyed this craft, I invite you to share about it, comment, and even just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I would love to have you as part of my community. So thank you for watching and have a great weekend.